Knowing the advertisements that viewers don't like is an important advertising business knowledge. If you plan on venturing into the world of TV commercials, beware of advertisements that are upsetting for your audience. To avoid making annoying ads for your product, there are a few guidelines you need to know. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about the latest updates from UniSquare Concepts. Television still remains as a primary source of advertisement. Thousands of brands and companies use it to raise awareness and gain customers. As a part of your advertising business, knowledge constitutes of knowing whether a particular advertisement is upsetting to your viewers. If you produce advertisements that are upsetting, it would backfire as people will ban your product. It will result in reduction to sales. To stop these kinds of mistakes, here are a few warning signs you should watch for. Racist content. Racism is a touchy subject for most viewers. TV is the type of medium that reaches all nationalities and races worldwide. Your advertising business knowledge should stop you from producing ads that convey racial stereotypes, even if they are playful and unintentional. It should be racially neutral. If you upset a whole race of people in the long run, it would affect your business significantly. You want people from all races and backgrounds to become your customers. Hold focus groups and surveys to make sure your content does not contain any upsetting remarks about any particular race at large. Sexist content. Women empowerment is a big topic in this day and age. If you portray women in the lines of gender stereotyping, it would result in advertisement that viewers don't like. Your ads should be gender neutral. Women make up roughly 50% of the human population, and if offered them via your advertisements, it would cause your downfall. A little bit of sensitivity and caution should be required when portraying women in ads. Explicitly sexual content. If your content is explicitly sexual in a manner that it seems to be out of context, it would result in advertisement that is upsetting. More often than not, the viewers might be children around the age of 4 to 12, and these kind of content can have a negative impact on them. If the content is sexual in nature, it should be done artfully so that the outcome does not come off as a cheap or smutty. If your content is distasteful in the name of bold, it would definitely rile up the viewers and enable them to boycott your product. Content related to unhealthy body image. Body image is a sensitive area where it comes to most people. As per advertising business knowledge, it should be portrayed in a tasteful and sensitive manner. Adverts setting unrealistic body goals for men and women are frowned upon. People around the world are protesting against the rigid, one-dimensional beauty standards around the world. Only if your campaign is body positive, it would bring good results. Bad quality content. If your content is badly acted and badly directed, it would lead to advertisements that viewers don't like. Like movies, making adverts is an art, and if it is something cheap and tasteless, people would get a bad impression of your product. Invest in a good director and good actors. People have high standards when it comes to advertisements. The field of TV commercials is a competitive one to the extent that they even have award ceremonies for the best made commercials. Do not make a mistake of publishing a haphazard ad. Out of context ads. Your advert should be a reflection of your product and service. Sometimes the director or the screenwriter may go off topic while making an ad. This would result in discontent among viewers. Your ad needs to represent the product itself. That is the primary focus. This could lead you to lose a lot of customers. As a part of your advertising business knowledge, these are the areas you should avoid. The absence of these criteria in your ad will result into something that is exemplary. People are not forgiving if they are seeing something that is offensive or upsetting on television. It is a competitive field when it comes to TV commercials, but a well-made advert goes a long way. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.